Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create form in Mailerlite. First, you have to log into your Mailerlite account and you just need to click on form from the left side menu bar. And from here, you just need to simply click on create button to create your first pop-up here. Or if you have already created a pop-up or any form, then you will find a plus icon. Then you just need to click on this plus icon and you will find this type of interface. You just need to give a name for your form. Then you just need to choose the type. You can choose pop-up, embedded form, or promotion. So I'm going to click on embedded form. Now let's go with pop-up. Then click on save and continue. Then here you can see I have a group already created, and you just need to select the group that you want to embed it your form with. And here I'm going to select this group and simply click on continue button from here. Then from here you just need to choose the template for your form. I'm going to choose this template. You can also click on preview to preview the template, and you can directly click on choose to choose this template for your form. I'm going to choose this. And now from here you can see I have the options to edit this form. You can edit your form as you need. You can just simply click on done editing after you have done your editing according to your needs. Then you just need to select the behavior as like trigger. You just need to set the time for trigger. You can also enable the show when user scroll to 50% of your page, or you can also select 75% or 100%. Show before closing page doesn't work on mobile. This will doesn't work for mobile. And you can also set the frequency that you can set how much time the people or the traffic will see your pop up on the page that you are linked with this form. Now you also can set the schedule for this form. I'm going to select it none for now, and first if you need, then you can select specific time. Now head to the visibility section where you can choose when your pop-up form will pop up on page, or when it need to show and when it need to hide. Now from here you can just copy this JavaScript snippet to set up your form in your page. Now here is the example. You can try or you can test your form from here. You can see that in this example steps you will find overview, analytics, and automation are double opt in. You can find in overview, you can click on status, you can enable it. You can also enable double opt in, and here you can also edit the group that you have embedded with this form. And from here you will find some details, and you can also edit your design from here. Now that's how you can just simply create a form in Mailerlite. You just need to copy the code, the JavaScript code that we have earlier in this video. Then you just need to enter this code in your backend. It's pretty simple, and that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.